Hey, well, hey there, Southern Maryland divers. Paul here again with the product review videos that we promised we were going to be giving you. We recently picked up Mares as far as the product line goes, and I'm excited to go over some of the new products that we are now carrying in the shop and online on our website, www.somddivers.com. So today we're going to be going over the Puck Lite dive computer. This computer is a lighter version of the very, very popular Mares Puck computer. Very, very popular all over the place, simple to use, and we're just going to show you what it's like to open this box, what's inside, so that you know what you're getting in case you end up getting it. So one of the things that they're really proud of is using recyclable materials for their boxes and all their packaging. And I will let you know that they are very good about that. All the regulators and stuff come in this recycled cardboard. So let's go ahead and open this guy up. So this one is the orange, and I will put some pictures of the other options and colors later on in the video. But this is the orange one that I brought in today. Let's see what we got here. So as far as the box goes, there's your manual. This is all available online as well. I'm going to put that aside. I'm going to put the box aside and look at this computer. Okay, so it looks like you just get the computer. There's not any kind of cables or anything. That is because this computer uses a user replaceable CR2045 battery. I'm sorry, 2450 battery. I always get that number backwards. It's 2450. That is a very common button battery you can find at any of the Walmarts or pharmacy stores, anywhere. They're pretty common. You wouldn't have a problem finding that, and it is user replaceable, as you can see back here. I am not 100% sure if they say to use a coin for this, but I have found that I prefer to use something a little bit wider than a coin to get these open. But if you have any problems, and really ideally, just bring it into the shop. We do a lot of these, and so we have a tool that gets in there nice and tight and can get that open. And I know that it's not rocket science, but there is technique to getting that O-ring back on and back in so that you're not going to end up leaking. We just charge you for the battery. We're not going to charge anything crazy for the install, so a lot of people just prefer to bring it in to us because we do it so much. So as you can see, it is a wrist computer. It's fairly solid for being a light version. Now when I say solid, I mean it's like solid and it feels good in my hand. It's not necessarily that it's heavy because it is a light version, right? So if you were thinking about traveling or something like that, you might consider this for that reason. Or if you just don't need all the features that the full version of the Puck or something like a Shearwater has, you could go with this. Great, great, great dive computer for your recreational diver that just doesn't dive a lot, or your new diver that's just getting into it and trying to figure out whether they want to do something a little bit more feature filled. So let's get up close here and show you. We can focus here on this. So you can see it's got a pretty big screen to turn on here. That's really easy to read. Wow, that's loud. You're not going to miss that alarm underwater. This is a single button computer, and so you have one button to navigate. And what that entails is a push and hold to get into the menus, and then certain push and holds to go into different menus and back and forth. I do find that a multiple button computer is easier to use as far as moving through the menus. However, that being said, you're not doing a ton of that underwater. So that's just a setup thing. So if you have some time to set it up, you can set it up before. You're not going to be doing a lot of moving around underwater through the menus. You can see you have a depth setting up there. We have your MOD in case you're using Nitrox. Right now it's set to meters. That's all changeable. You can change it over to Imperial. The time, your Nitrox gradient factors down there. Talking about gradient factors, this does run a Bowman ZH-L16C algorithm, and it has two different gradient factor options that you can choose, whether you want to be more conservative or less conservative. You can read up on that more. That's a whole nother video. With Nitrox compatibility, it has Nitrox built in, so you can run anything from air all the way up to 50%. It's a single gas computer, so you wouldn't be able to do any kind of multi-gas dives with this. It would be single gas, so basic recreational ranges. We talked about the single button thing, so I'm not a huge fan of that, but this would be a very viable option for somebody that wants to get into a computer for their diving at a lower price point. The other cool thing about this is it has Bluetooth, and so what happens with the Bluetooth is once you get it set up, you'll be able to download your dive logs to the app. I'm going to show you the app here real quick. The Mares app is actually really nice. So you'd be able to download your dive logbook. The computer would be able to do firmware updates through Bluetooth. So that's really nice for this cheaper dive computer. Most of the entry-level dive computers like this don't actually have that Bluetooth feature built in, but this does. So yeah, you can download your firmware updates, your dive log, which is a really cool little feature. It'll store up to 100 dives on the computer itself, so if you didn't have your phone or didn't want to mess with your phone on your dive trip, you could have up to 100 dives before you start overwriting on the computer itself. And then obviously if you're downloading to your phone, you wouldn't have to worry about that. The strap is removable, and they do sell a bungee version, so if you're into some dry suit diving or just prefer the bungee over a strap like this, you could do that. The strap is long enough to get over a wetsuit, perhaps even a dry suit for some smaller people, so you don't have to worry about not being able to fit in it. Your firmware updates are going to be pushed out by Mares, so if you end up getting one of these, you would want to sign up for their advertising so that you get notified. We'll also push them out on our Facebook page, so you'd really want to like and subscribe our Facebook page because we push out the updates for all the computers that we sell as soon as they come out on that page. I'm going to show you the other computer colors available here, and the black and orange is obviously right in front of you here, so it's black with the orange rim here, and then the computer color choices for the rest of the colors are black and black, black and aqua, and then black and white. These are in stock at the shop on our website. You can order them. We'll have it to you real quick, and you can start diving with the Mares Puck Lite as soon as you get it on your wrist. So super easy to use, real intuitive, and in stock. So hopefully we can get you into one here soon, or be a perfect gift for the new diver on your list. All right, guys, please like and subscribe our Facebook page and our YouTube channel for more of these videos, and we hope to see you soon in the future. Thanks.